Hello everyone, my name is Intan Trikurniati and I want to present about analysis of the main character Moana 2016 from a liberal feminist perspective. Background: this value is in line with liberal feminism, which emphasizes individual freedom, equal rights, and equal opportunities. Liberal feminism was chosen because it highlights women's autonomy, access to education, and the right to lead. Moana makes decisions based on ability, not gender stereotype. And this study analyzed the representation of liberal feminism in Moana's action, dialogue, and life journey as a leader. Problem statement. First, how is Moana portrayed as a representation of liberal feminism? Second, what liberal feminist value does Moana demonstrate in the film? Third, how does the film Moana challenge gender stereotype through its main character? Research objective: to describe the representation of liberal feminism in the character of Moana. Second, to analyze the values of liberal feminism through the dialogue, action, and storyline of the character Moana. Third, to explain how the character Moana rejects gender stereotype in traditional society. Benefit of research: expanding feminist studies in animated film analysis, particularly from a liberal feminist perspective, and can be used as a reference for media literacy and gender equality, learning in education, and raising public awareness that women can lead and make important decisions in public life. Theories and concepts. First, liberal feminism. Liberal feminism emphasizes that women should be given that some opportunities as men in education, employment, politics, and leadership. Individual freedoms is used as the basis for equal rights. Within this framework, women should not be constrained by tradition or gender norms that limit their social roles. Second, gender representation in film. Gender representation in film can be analyzed through character, dialogue, and conflict, and decision made by characters in the storyline. This representation can reinforce or reject gender stereotype in society. Third, women's leadership in the media. Women leadership in the media is often portrayed through characters who have vision, courage, decision-making skills, and problem-solving abilities. Previous research empowered femininity, the evolution of female strength in Disney Moana by Galuh Citra Julia Pramesti and Nur Hidayat 2025. And then raising awareness of women's emancipation in Moana 2016 movie by using feminism theories by Agustina Budi Hartining Tias, MA Sumayah 2021. And then framework. Number one, liberal feminism theory, concept of individual rights, autonomy, and gender equality. Second, Moana's character attribute courage, independent, leader, and action-oriented. Third, analysis of film's scenes such as dialogue, conflict, and resolution. And four, interpretation of how Moana embodies liberal feminist values. 5. Social implication of this representation, whether it reinforces or challenges gender norms. Research design. This study used qualitative approach with content analysis. This method was chosen because the analysis of film character and dialogues is better explored in depth and interpretively. Population and sample. Population. All scenes in the movie Moana 2016, and then sample key scenes featuring the character Moana in moments of conflict, decision making, and social interaction, such as her dialogue with her father, sailing scenes, and confrontation with Maui. Data collection technique. The research watched the film Moana multiple times and note scenes relevant to liberal feminism. Notable dialogue quotes were extracted and transcribed the film script, and academic literature and previous analysis such as this and article were used as additional references. Data analysis technique. Data such as scenes and dialogue will be coded using categories based on liberal feminist theory. For example, equal rights, individual autonomy, and self-development. Thematic analysis. Main themes will be identified from these quotes. For example, Moana demands freedom for her father's authority. Moana challenges traditional female roles, and Moana leads for the welfare of the community. Interpretation. Themes will be analyzed in the content of liberal feminist theory to evaluate how these feminist values are realized and how Moana, as the main character, conveys a message of female empowerment. And I think that's all from me, and thank you.